everyone, it's Angela from Cakeangel, and today I'm going to show you how to pipe carnations. And for this you'll need a flower nail, a parchment square, and also some medium consistency icing with a tip 101. And for this petal tip you want to make sure that the widest end is always towards the center of the parchment square. So as you can see, I'm just piping up and down and twisting my flower nail, which actually produces the petal effect, and it gives it a nice little ruffled look as well. So you're just going up and down, squeezing a little bit of icing each time. And that's the first layer finished. Let's get this sped up while we go on to our second layer. And we're just repeating the same technique, always keeping that wide part towards the center and just squeezing and turning the flower nail rather than turning our hand. And let's get that final fourth layer finished off. And you can see how nice and defined all of those petals are with a little bit of a ruffled edge. It's also got a nice volume to it as well, as we have 4 layers of petals. So nice and easy, you just want to leave this dry completely on the parchment square and then you'll be able to slide it off once it's fully dry. Hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.